I joined Speed in June, and I did all preparation from the Speed Institute. I watched all the videos and general surgery, sir. Your masterclass videos are awesome for the general surgery preparation. They are complete, and it gives line to line complete description of all the things like Bailey. It covers Seviston. Those videos, it is important topics. So Schwartz are also covered. So that was the my main source, and that was, I think that is more than enough, sir, for doing for, I mean, it covers entirely. And I believe that all 55 to 60 questions of CTVS part was completely from it. Even general surgery part, there was no question from out of it, or there was complete 100% was within the speed videos.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Parth Maheshwari for scoring AML rank 5 and CML rank 7 in Super Speciality of MCh Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery in NEET session November 2025. Congratulations to you, Doctor.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It really means a lot, sir. Meeting you here is like what I wanted. I always, like, when I was studying also, I wanted I want to achieve that rank so that I got an interview with you.
Great, Doctor. And my pleasure
Yes, sir.
that may
Thank you so much,
taking an
sir.
interview with you. And congratulations on that.
Yes, sir.
Can we know a brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from Ujjain, sir, in Madhya Pradesh, and I did my initial studies from Ujjain itself, my initial schooling. I have done my MBBS from AIMS Rishikesh, sir, and my MS General Surgery also from AIMS Rishikesh.
Very nice.
And currently now, yes, sir, I'm want to pursue for MCh
Great.
CTVS, sir.
Amazing accomplishment. Can we
Yes, sir.
know why CTVS?
Sir, the idea of like being a CTVS surgeon was in my mind. Like, I joined MBBS to be a CTVS surgeon, sir. There was no doubt in that. Like, I knew from initial stages also I wanted to be a CTVS surgeon only. And I think that idea of being a CTVS surgeon sprouted in my mind in 11th and 12th. When like school teachers in our school days, one of our teacher used to refer cardiothoracic, like cardiac surgery, as like heart as a powerhouse of life and an organ that can control the life. So that idea rooted in my mind to operate on at such a level is a very means prestigious. So I always wanted to be a CTVS surgeon, and I feel that CTVS is a branch. Well, it is a king of surgeries. Like, it requires the highest skills. Plus, it is a branch where saving life is not just theoretical; it is real life, tangible. Like when the heart starts beating after when weaning off from bypass, that is, I think, the most powerful movement of the medicine. Like, it is real life, it start beating and person comes it starts beating again. So it is really grateful to see that.
Very true. Very true.
Yes, sir. And in CTVS, I believe that results, there is no ambiguity. Like, decisions are quick and results are visible immediately. So, matlab, it gives an energy and enthusiasm that we are doing something that saved a life of a person. So that's the idea that motivates me to become a CTVS surgeon.
Correct. Well said. Exactly.
Thank you so much,
That
sir.
is a fact. And
Thank you.
once you decided to do a CTVS surgeon, what you did after that, how do you prepare? I mean, what are the preparation strategies?
Sir, I finished, actually, I finished my MS surgery in August itself, sir, in August 2025. But I start, means my exams were over in, means MS surgery exams were over in May 2025. So after that, I had 4 months before my tenure was going to complete. So in those 4 months, I joined, I searched for the, like, which platform to use, or how to prepare for it. Then I came to know about the Speed Institute. So I joined the Speed in June, but because the duties were still there, so I was not able to prepare. I started my dedicated preparation from September, in September 2025. So it was 3 months of preparation, and I did all preparation from the Speed Institute. I watched all the videos of Arun Kumar sir from the CTVS, sir, and general surgery, sir. Your masterclass videos are awesome for the general surgery preparation. They are complete, and it gives line to line complete description of all the things like Bailey. It covers Seviston so thoroughly, and like Schwartz, we generally don't read in MS surgery. We don't get the time to read, but in those videos, it is important topics of Schwartz are also covered. So that was the my main source for
Great,
general surgery preparation and CTS preparation.
great, great. How many questions did you attend this exam? What about the
Uh,
paper concentration was and preparation for interview?
Sir, I attempted 75 questions in that. And in interview, sir, generally I watch the videos of, say, means in that 2 weeks of time, I watched videos of Arun Kumar sir only, sir, on the Speed app for the interview session. And that was, I think that is more than enough, sir, for for doing, for, I mean, it covers entirely. And I believe that all 55 to 60 questions of CTVS part was completely from it, even general surgery part. There was no question from out of it, or like it, there was complete 100% was within the Speed videos.
Perfect,
Yes,
perfect.
sir.
Now, what were the areas they were asking in interview?
Sir, in interview, they were actually 10 spotters, 10 to 8 to 10 spotters. They were mainly asking. And they start initially in the interview, they start initially like giving an intro and like why you want a CTVS. And then they directly come to the spotters. In spotters, there is mainly a scientist, means a previous doctor or a history. In mine was Michael Ellis Debicki. He has came, means there is one photo and you need to describe it, like in which institute he worked and all. And then, sir, there is one ECG video, chest X-ray videos. And sir, there was proline sutures were also there, which I was not prepared for it. But proline sutures were also there. And they mainly ask in ECGs, they mainly ask for like management. Mine was atrial flutter, so they asked for how will you manage for atrial flutter. And they also go around the area, like if in management, suppose like they asked me if there is a clot, like if there is a stroke in the flutter, so how will you manage the stroke. So they also ask regarding the management of complications. It was and yeah, there were instruments, there was IABP balloon. And there was yes, sir. And one metallic IABP balloon, and one scapular retractor was also there, I think so. LA retractor.
Okay. Thanks
Yes,
for sharing, doctor. So
yes,
the students will have an idea what to prepare also.
yes, sir.
And also, what will be your message to the future aspirants of MCh CTVS?
So I would just say one thing, that if you want, means, because in general there is too many of myths, and there is so much of negativity, that there is too much of workload, and many means there is too much of what we can say, this that word is toxicity in CTS department. But I think that if you are dedicated to it, you must go for it, because it ultimately depends on your work, what you want to do. It doesn't depend on what other people's want you to do. Ultimately you have to be with the branch if you want it, means, because generally I see many people, even when I was taking for CTVS, I was saying many people was asking me why you want CTVS, it is a very hectic branch. But in my mind it was like कि I have dedicated for dedication for it. So I would just say juniors that if you have dedication, you must choose the branch you which you want. It doesn't matter what other people think or what other people have taken. Like suppose if many of our friends have taken gastro, well, other branches, so it doesn't mean you also have to. You have to look on your aspect, like, because like for me, I can see myself in next 30 to 40 years that I want to be matlab, in CTVS as a CTVS doctor. So I would say, juniors, that what you can see yourself in next 30 to 40 years, you should take that branch.
Very good. Well
That's
said.
one message. Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, time to thank and whom all you want to thank, and they have helped you, stood by you to make what you are in this today career.
So first of all, I would like to thank my parents, because they were my biggest support for it. In 2 to 3 months of preparation, it was you need a dedicated time. So I was at home only during the preparation, and so it's the parents, and then my friends, as well as the Speed Institute, for helping me. Arun Kumar sir, and sir, your videos, masterclass videos are great. It really helped me to build up, because I was before joining the Speed, I was blank like how to prepare it. But slowly I watched, started watching videos. I got an idea like what questions are asked. I gave GTs. So I want to thank Speed Institute, my parents and friends.
Great, great, doctor. Once again, I wish you all the very best and all the success for a
Thank you
great and
so much.
wonderful career in
Thank you so
MCh
much.
cardiothoracic surgery.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Best
Thank
wishes
you
to you.
so much, sir.
Thank you.